Excel is the most powerful tool. Most people are using at 10% capacity, not because they're not smart, but because building things in Excel takes forever. Formulas, formatting, charts, models, templates, it's hours of work just to get to the point where you can actually start analyzing. What if you skipped all of that? Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways AI agents handle the hard parts of Excel so you can get the output without the hours of setup. Templates, financial models, charts, dashboards, and something at the end that genuinely surprised me the first time I saw it. Let's get into it. So, use case number 1, generating Excel templates from scratch. So, here's the problem with all the free Excel templates you find online. They're generic. You either have wrong structure for your business, wrong categories, wrong formulas, and you spend more time fixing them than if you would start from scratch. So watch this example. I asked the AI agent to create an invoice template for a consulting business with automatic tax calculations, subtotals, payment terms, etc. And it built the entire structure, the line items, quantities, rates, automatic calculations, professional formatting. He used the brand colors that I asked him to use, and it was a complete ready to use template. I didn't have to Google, no fixing someone else's templates, no formula headaches. So whatever template you need, it could be invoices, budgets, project trackers, inventory sheets, just describe it and the agent builds to your exact specifications. Use case number 2, financial models. Financial models are one of those things that sound intimidating, and honestly, they are if you're building them manually. So you have to build the revenue projections, expense forecast, cash flow analysis, scenario planning, and each one is a web of interconnected formulas that takes hours to build correctly, and you have to format it. Unless, of course, if you have an agent doing it. In this use case, I asked an AI for a sales financial model with investor grade analysis using dynamic charts, clear breakdowns, and multiple financial modeling perspectives. And then I watched the agent work. And it's not filling in the template. It's making decisions about the structure, about formula logic, about what a complete financial model actually needs. And here you can see that it built a dashboard. He built a separate sheet with revenue trends, with forecasting models, with conservative and optimistic mode, and 12-month revenue forecast, and even performance by location and product category. And this use case took around 50 minutes to complete. And this is what I mean by agentic. It didn't help me build a model. It built the model for me. Use case number 3, creating charts and data visualizations in Excel. So here's the thing about charts in Excel. The data is the easy part. Is the chart type selection, the formatting, the color schemes, the axis labels, the titles, all that manual work that turns I have data into I have something I can actually present and insert in presentations. So AI agents handle all of that. So in this use case, I uploaded a sales dataset and asked AI to create a complete sales dashboard with different kinds of things for regional breakdowns, monthly trends. And here is the output that I got. So notice it didn't just make bar charts for everything. It made decisions, the line chart for trends, the bar chart for regional breakdown. I didn't ask him specific things that I needed to do. So he just gave me an overview of the best use cases. So all the charts and all the formulas here, the KPIs, it's all dynamic, and AI used the brand color I gave him. And so the output is a sales dashboard with publication ready charts, and that you can even add into presentation or report, or just ask AI to build a presentation from this specific Excel chart. And at this point, you're not spending 45 minutes fighting Excel charts. You're spending 2 minutes reviewing what the agent created. Number 4, generating dashboards from your existing Excel files or CSV files or Google Sheets files. It doesn't matter. This one is different from the charts use case because you're not starting fresh. You have a spreadsheet that's already full of data, messy, complex, maybe built by someone else, and you need to turn it into something you can actually read at glance and share to a board or stakeholders or clients. And here's how an agent handles that. So in this use case, I actually added a link to the Google Sheets file, and I asked AI to create a executive ready dashboard showing key metrics, performance trends, and actionable insights. And the agent did something super, super important here. It didn't just chart everything. So it identified which metrics actually mattered, which should be showed as KPIs, which should be created as charts and summary section. And this dashboard is just amazing. And what you're looking at took like, what, 5 minutes, which AI actually to perform this use case. Manually, this is a half-day project. And I'm not even including that you have to know the Power BI or Tableau to actually create this kind of dashboard, because this is already fully interactive. You can share it with your board. You can embed it into web pages or whatever you want. You can transform it with the PDF, and all you can do is by chatting with the agent. Use case number 5. And this is the one that genuinely surprised me the first time I saw it. So far, everything I have shown you has been inside Excel. So the templates, models, charts, dashboards, all living in a spreadsheet. But here's a question every analyst, every finance person, every founder faces at some point. I have all this Excel data. Now I need to present it to someone. And so that transition from spreadsheet to presentation is where hours disappear. You copy pasting charts, rebuilding layouts in PowerPoint, writing the narrative around the numbers. Now, let's watch what happens when an agent handles that entire transition. So in this use case, I asked an AI to create an investor-ready PowerPoint presentation pitch deck for an investor meeting. With the deck should clearly communicate the problem, solution, product value, etc. The agent pulled the data, selected the most relevant charts. Actually, in this use case, he also did the web research for my brand, but you can just upload your Excel file if you want in this use case. And then he built a slide deck with a proper narrative flow, wrote the context and the commentary for each slide, and formatted everything consistently. And it is not a rough layout you still have to fix. It's a complete structured presentation that maybe you need to adjust and definitely review. And from Excel data to finished PowerPoint with one prompt. And all of this is possible with AI agents. Here are your 5 agentic Excel use cases. Number 1, custom templates from your exact specifications. Number 2, financial models. Number 3, charts and visualizations in the Excel sheets. Number 4, dashboards generated from your existing Excel files, CSV files, or Google Sheets. And number 5, complete PowerPoint presentation generated from your Excel file. Every single one of these used to take hours. With agentic AI, it takes minutes. I'm not showing you the ceiling. These are the starting points. You can even generate landing pages. You can generate applications, and you can get things done so much more faster using AI agents. And all full tutorials are linked in the description below. The tool that we use for all of these use cases, you can find it at chat.ajelix.com. We have a free trial available, so you can test it out and see if it works for you. And if this video showed you something new about what AI can actually do, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe and like, or leave a comment below, as I'm releasing new use cases every week across different kinds of industries. See you in the next one.